Hello, everyone. In this video, we will see how to speed ramp a video in CapCut on PC. Let's start by opening CapCut on your PC. Once CapCut is open, click on Create Project. Now that we're in the CapCut video editor, let's import a video clip. Navigate to the Media tab on the left side and click on Import. Select the video you want to use and click Open. Once the video is imported into the Media tab, drag it onto the track at the bottom of the screen. To add a speed ramp, first select the video on the track. Then, from the top right menu, click on Speed. In the Speed options, select the Curve tab. Here, you can choose a predefined curve for speed ramping or create a custom curve. Scroll down to adjust the speed ramp by moving the curve. Dragging the curve downwards slows down the video, while moving it upwards increases the speed. Adjust the curve according to your preference. You can also enable smooth slow-mo if you're slowing down the video. Now let's preview the video after making these changes. And that's it. This is how you can speed ramp a video in CapCut on PC. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.